A popular restaurant chain is hacked and your information is compromised again. Facebook suspends over 200 apps for misusing data, and you can now rate your Uber driver before your ride is over. All that and more in Tech News Today, with special thanks to our partners at Boll & Branch, the company that's changing the way you sleep with all organic luxury bedding. Go to bollandbranch.com. Komando listeners get $50 off and free shipping on your first order. Use promo code TALK. That's promo code TALK at bollandbranch.com. We all do it. Go out to lunch or dinner and swipe our credit cards or debit cards to pay. It's convenient for sure, but it all comes with risk. Hackers are always looking for ways to steal your information and rip you off. And they target restaurants and retailers too. So that's what just happened at Chili's. The popular restaurant chain was hit by malware that was installed on its point-of-sale system. The malware was designed to steal payment card information from guests who swiped their credit cards or debit cards there. So if you've eaten at Chili's recently, you need to watch your credit and debit card statements for any charges that you don't recognize. Look for even the smallest charge. That's how the criminals will test valid card numbers, by charging up to, like, say, 99 cents. So now these crooks have gotten their hands on your name, credit card, and debit card information, expiration dates, verification codes, you name it. Your best bet is to go ahead and order a replacement credit card to be on the safe side. Facebook just revealed that it suspended 200 apps that may have misused data. Just like Cambridge Analytica, in March, CEO Mark Zuckerberg promised to perform an internal audit over third-party privacy violations. The statement that 200 apps have been flagged shouldn't come as a big surprise. But so far, Facebook hasn't provided any details aside from the number. We don't know how many people use the apps or what led them to suspect the apps misused data. It's going to take a while for Facebook to investigate each of those apps, and meanwhile, the Federal Trade Commission is investigating whether Facebook's relationship with Cambridge Analytica violated its 2011 settlement with the U.S. government over another series of privacy mishaps. If the violations stand, Facebook faces some very big fines. Millions of people use the ride-sharing service Uber. You order your ride, and when it's over, you rate your experience. But for many, once they get to their destination, they're either rushed or forget to rate their driver. Sometimes just quickly tapping a 4 or 5 star, even when the service and driver wasn't that great. Now Uber is tweaking the app to let customers rate their ride before the trip is over. Uber says it will use the data to celebrate great drivers that provide excellent service. Uber will also use lower ratings to improve its technology. For example, if a rider specifically reports that there was a problem with pickup, the team that works on that feature will be alerted. Just last month, Uber introduced passenger safety features, including allowing passengers the ability to alert contacts about their ride. One girl's name you won't be seeing on the most popular list is Alexa. Thanks to Amazon's Echo, the popularity of the name Alexa has dropped by 1/3. In case you didn't know, the name Alexa was given to Amazon Echo's smart assistant because of the high precision with which the X can be detected. No worries for Apple users either. The name Siri dropped in popularity as well. No danger for Will Robinson. It looks like Lost in Space is being renewed on Netflix. According to Nielsen, which measures viewership, Lost in Space drew 6.3 million American viewers in its first 3 days. The 1970s reboot revolves around the Robinson family's survival in outer space and the alliances they form along the way. It looks like there's at least a large enough audience to keep the series going. That's your Tech News Today, brought to you by our friends at Boll & Branch, luxury organic bedding that will change the way you sleep. For your special Komando.com offer, go to bollandbranch.com. You'll get $50 off your first order and free shipping. Just enter promo code TALK. That's bollandbranch.com and promo code TALK for $50 off.